One of the best coconut curry recipes is coconut chickpea curry. It's tasty, easy to make, and packed with flavor. Here's how to make it. Everything is in the description, by the way. Ingredients: 1 can of coconut milk, 1 can of chickpeas, drained and rinsed, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 1 onion, chopped up, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 cup of spinach, fresh or frozen, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. Number 1, heat the olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add the chopped onions and cook until it's soft. Number 2, add the minced garlic and curry powder. Stir it for about a minute until it smells good. Number 3, pour in the coconut milk and add the chickpeas. Stir everything together and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Number 4, add the spinach and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until it's wilted. Number 5 is to season it with salt and pepper to taste. Okay? Now, serve this delicious coconut curry over rice or with naan bread, N-A-A-N bread. For a great meal, for lunch, for dinner. It's full of healthy ingredients. Enjoy this warm, comforting dish with your family and your friends.